If your Vizio TV won't connect to the internet or you simply don't know where the Wi-Fi settings are, don't worry. Connecting a Vizio TV to Wi-Fi is usually pretty quick, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what to do. The menu can look slightly different depending on your Vizio model, but the basic process is very similar. Before you start, make sure your TV is turned on, your Wi-Fi router is working, and you know the password for your home network. Start by grabbing your Vizio remote and pressing the menu button. On many Vizio TVs, you'll see a menu appear on the left or across the screen. Look for Network and select it with the arrow buttons, then press OK. On some newer models, the wording or layout can be a little different, so if you don't see Network immediately, look under the TV settings or system options for the network or internet connection section. Once you're inside the network settings, the TV should show the available wireless networks around you. Find the name of your home Wi-Fi network, also called the SSID, and select it. If you don't see your network right away, look for an option such as More Access Points, which can display additional available wireless networks. Vizio's own manuals also show that some models include a wireless access point menu for choosing the network. If your TV is connected to the internet with an Ethernet cable, you may need to unplug that cable before the wireless network options appear. After you select your Wi-Fi network, the TV will ask for the Wi-Fi password. Carefully enter the password using the on-screen keyboard and then choose Connect or OK. Take your time here because Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. A single incorrect letter, number, or symbol can prevent the TV from connecting. If your router has separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, make sure you select the network you normally use and enter its matching password. Give the TV a moment to connect. If everything is correct, you should see a confirmation that the TV is connected to your wireless network. At this point, you can close the menu and open an internet-connected app such as the streaming app to confirm that the connection actually works. Some Vizio models also include a test connection option in the menu, which can be useful if you want to verify the connection without opening an app. Now, what if your Wi-Fi network doesn't appear at all? First, check that your phone or another device can see and connect to the same Wi-Fi network. If other devices also can't see the network, the problem is probably with the router rather than the TV. Restarting your router can help. Also, make sure the TV is not too far away from the router, because a weak wireless signal can make the network difficult to find or cause the connection to drop. If the network appears but the Vizio TV refuses to connect, double-check the password before changing any advanced settings. Then, restart both the router and the TV. Turn the TV off, disconnect its power for a short moment, reconnect it, and try the Wi-Fi setup again. If your Vizio model has a test connection option, run it after reconnecting. For older Vizio models, the network menu may also include options such as Manual Setup, DHCP, WPS, or Hidden Network. You normally shouldn't change IP addresses or DNS settings manually unless you specifically know that your network requires it. There's also one important situation to keep in mind. If your Wi-Fi network is hidden, meaning the network name is not being broadcast, your Vizio TV may provide a hidden network or enter access point name option. Select that option, enter the exact Wi-Fi network name, and then enter the password when prompted. Older Vizio manuals document this process for hidden wireless networks. If your TV connects to Wi-Fi but says there is no internet, check whether the internet is working on your phone or computer. If none of your devices have internet access, contact your internet provider or troubleshoot the router. If other devices work normally but the Vizio TV does not, forget or reconnect to the Wi-Fi network if your model provides that option, then restart the TV and try again. Keeping the TV's firmware up to date can also help with connectivity and software issues, although the exact update process varies by model. And that's it. In most cases, the path is simply Menu, Network, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. If the menus on your Vizio look different, don't panic. The exact names can vary between models and generations, but the goal is still to find the network or Wi-Fi settings and select your home network. If this video helped you connect your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi, give it a quick like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you're still having trouble connecting, leave your Vizio TV model and the exact message you see on the screen in the comments, and that information can help identify the right solution.